right.
That's not right.
Let's try it again. Oh boy, sounds like we've got a visitor. Oh boy.
Hey, Mickey, look what I found. Pom-pom.
That's not a hat. It's a nest.
Help!
What are you gonna name him?
Baby, Red Bird. Red baby. Oh, embarrassing.
Why don't we all call out to Baby Redbird? Everybody say,
Twitter is now X. Twitter is now X.
Baby Redbird looks sass.
I thought it was a hat.
a stick. The telescope will help us see things far away. Let's see if we can find the forest. Is that a forest?
Oh, hell no!
You betcha! That's a forest! Good job, pal!
I thought our story was already over.
I got it! We can fly the
I'm very hungry.
I once ate a hubcap.
Oh, no! It tastes like custard and old socks.
Yum, 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 yum.
Ew, yuck.
Baby Redbird must be getting cold. Maybe we have a mouse-catool that can keep Baby Redbird cold.
A baby for the blankie.
It's the forest! Do you see the forest?
I can't even see!
Yeah, there it is!
How are we gonna find Baby Redbird's tree?
I have no idea.
Let's think.
Now's the time to think.
Does that sound like Baby Redbird's mommy? Tall tree. Ooh, ooh. We got ears. Say cheers! Maybe Baby Redbird looks like Baby Redbird. Which mommy birds are red? The mommy bird on the top and the mommy bird on the bottom are both red.
So,
How many times does Baby Redbird tweet?
3 times.
Right! Let's listen to the first mommy Redbird.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
We found Baby Redbirds.
Poor Toodles.
We've used all our mouse-catoons. Say so. Will you cheer Goofy on as he bounces to the top of the tallest tree?
No!
We all brought Baby Redbird back home to his mommy.